In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this very basic flower. So let's get started. We will be needing our selected yarn, 5mm hook and scissor. So to begin, grab your yarn and wrap it around your fingers. It's up to you how you want to do it. As for me, it is easier this way. Make a knot to begin. Place your hook under the yarn, twist it 180 degrees, yarn over and pull through in that loop. Pull and pull the index finger, and that's our slip knot. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through, and that's our first chain. Now make 2 more chains, a total of 3 chains, 2 and 3. In the third chain from the hook, make a slip stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and that is a slip stitch. So we are creating this little circle right here in the middle, this one, and that is our round 1. Round 2, chain 1, insert your hook in the middle, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and that's our first single crochet. In the same circle, insert your hook, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and that's our second single crochet. And now we're going to make 10 more single crochet, a total of 12 single crochet in the same circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last one, 12. Total of 12 single crochet. Now make a slip stitch in the first single crochet we made, which is this one. Insert your hook right there, yarn over, pull through, and that slip stitch. To close our round 2, chain 1 to begin round 3. Let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This one is slip stitch, which is not included. Now in the first stitch you find, make a single crochet right there. Insert your hook, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch right there, yarn over, 3 loops in the hook, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and that's our first double crochet. In the same stitch, make 4 more double crochet, a total of 5 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over, 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's our second double crochet. 3, 4, and 5. Now we have 5 double crochet in the same stitch. So this is our single crochet, and this is our 5 double crochet in the same stitch. Now make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And we are now done with our first petal. Now we're just going to repeat that all the way around. So after single crochet, make the petal, which is 5 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochet in the same stitch, and in the next stitch make 1 single crochet to finish off the second petal. Now make 5 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch to finish off our third petal. And repeat again, 5 double crochet in the next stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch to finish the fourth petal. Now make 5 double crochet in the next stitch for our fifth petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch to finish the fifth petal. And again 5 double crochet in the next stitch for our final petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 double crochet in this stitch and slip stitch. This is our previous slip stitch, and after it is our first single crochet right there. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and that's slip stitch. Chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. And we're basically done with our flower. And now the remaining yarn, I'm just going to make a knot to secure the stitch. So I like to make it in half and make a few knots. 1, 2, and cut the yarn. And we're done. I hope you got it, and I really tried my best to make it really simple. And that is for today for our tutorial. Happy Crochetlyn!